This conference will now be recorded.
Good evening, everyone. Join the sessions today.
Good evening, ma'am.
Why today less students they should join because hardly one more week we have. So we have discussed yesterday about the GST vendor payments and all. We'll do today with this customer. So let's open the software. What are the steps we have done in the GST for vendors? Did you remember? So we have created customer. So customer for this slash n, we have some customer also, and we can use that one. But what we need to do for the GST, we have to create some tax code that is like tax code already been created, but we have to create some GL masters. So what is that? Slash n. Just a minute. So we have to create some GL masters for that, just like liabilities account slash n fs double zero. Okay, what you have to create slash n fs double zero. So we have created some liabilities account. So again we have to create that is also under liabilities only, that input tax credit all these things we have to create on this liabilities. Okay, so we have created sundry debtors account and we have created sales account. Okay, so sales, let's change or something control data. So here tax category we need to choose. So let's choose first next one. Okay, other things you need not to change, click on save. Okay, likewise we can change it. So input center just we have to create output for this 2 lakhs 5, 2 lakhs 5.
Ma'am, your screen is not visible, ma'am.
Okay, I'll just share my screen. So is it visible now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now see. So I'm going to create this one GL masters again. That is 2 lakhs 5. I'm going to create under liabilities means balance sheet, under liability. So here I'll give out. One more thing, I have a questions. See, when we are creating the tax ledgers, we are creating under liabilities account. Why it will comes under liabilities account? It can create under assets, right? So for the sales, we can create under assets. Who will answer me now? We should create under assets or we should create under liabilities? Yes, students, tell me.
For sales in assets, ma'am.
That's what I'm asking. For purchase, we did liabilities because we need to pay that. But for sales, it will be comes under assets or liabilities.
Assets, ma'am.
Are you sure? It will comes under no. Why? Because
No, ma'am. It will come under liabilities, ma'am.
huh, why? Because this is a tax we need to pay. Understood? Because sales amount, no doubt we are getting, but tax we need to pay, no? So GST is applicable on sales.
Yes, ma'am.
GST are one. So it will comes under liability. That's what I asked the questions. It should comes under assets or it will comes under liabilities. As it is a tax payment, it is always comes under liabilities only. Okay. So here I'll type out central tax. So GST. Out central GST. Here also I'll type out. Same things will copy paste also. Okay. Control data. So here what we need to do, tax category we need to enable, right? We need to enable the tax category, and then here nothing I have to do. Line item displays short key 001, and here what I should choose, G0067. What I should choose, tax office clearing. Click on save. Why? I'll show you this. When I am taking this one, okay, so G041 is displaying. Likewise, we did this one. You understood? When I'm selecting this, I go to the display. See, I have created under central text. Now this is created. This is G041. Likewise, we have to do this also. Correct. So next is creation of 2 lakhs 5, 2 lakhs 6. So balance sheet. This will be liabilities. And what I'll create, state. So out state GST. Why it is not taking? So control data, tax category, X. Acha, one mistakes I did, students. Did you remember this will be X3? I'll rectify that one. G014. One mistakes has been done that we should rectify. So this is out central GST. I need to change here in the control data X3. So we need to select X3 for that. Why? Because this is a output tax. So next one more, 2 lakhs 7. 2 lakhs 7. Click on this, descriptions, balance sheets, liability. This is out interstate GST. Tax category will be X4. Correct. After this, you save this. You understood, students, how it is working? Anyone has any doubts? Everyone join the meeting. So any doubts in that? Why today very less student divided? Because it's going to end. Do not miss. Next week I'm going to do revision also from the beginning. Yes, students, any doubts is there?
No, ma'am.
No, holidays is going on, but student, there is no holiday in the online class. Students less joining, so Christmas holiday it was done. But we don't have holidays. Only yesterday it was. Okay, let's continue with that. And this is the things we have created. We have to go to the what is the customer invoice. So what is the shortcut key for what is the T code for this? Slash n FB70. So we have to go to the customer account, customer invoice. So after this, click on this customer. We have to choose the customer here. I'll take Ankita. Invoice date. We have more customer also. I'll create and show you. 26th. So amount is suppose 34,000. So here we have to do calculate tax. Here you have to select X3. Okay, X3. Then select. This is a sales account. Where is the sales? Yes, sales account. So here 34,000. Business area TA10. Click on simulate. So GL account 300 permit the tax code X is not permitted. One second, there is some mistakes. I think I'll check it out. Okay. Let's find out where is the from slash and reference. Okay, I have not done this one. Okay, save. This is the mistakes was slash and FB70. Now it makes sense. This is you have to select your sales account. Okay, sales account we have to create sales account. Okay, so here 34,000. Okay, so business area you can give scroll and you write your business area. So this is TA10. After this, try to simulate. So account not assigned with the business area. Okay, TA10. Now you simulate this. Posting key for transaction ZOC. Posting key has not been done for ZOC. Acha, one thing did you remember, students? Posting key we have done for vendors only. We have not done for this one. I'll just open and show you. We have not done for customers. Means for vendors we have done. We need to do that also. Posting keys we have to assign. ZOC we have not done. So all it is asking. Slash and OBCN. So we have to go to the slash and OBCN. So we have to do ZOC. ZOC. It is there. So double click on this. Yes. We have to do out central tax separate line items. Just in case we have done. This one have to do OB40 slash n. Here it is done. Slash n OB for 0. Yes, here we need to search ZOC. So out central tax, chart of accounts. Yes, this we have to do tax code. Then posting keys. Posting keys we have to do 40 is for debit, 50 is for credit. Then you first you save this, save data, then go to the tax code X3 account. We can choose out central tax. Got it. So like this we can do it back. So this is for state tax. First is tax code, accounts. Okay. First posting keys. Posting keys we have to do 40 is for debit, 50 is for credit. Then you click on save. Then go to the accounts. X3 again tax code. Which is that accounts? State. So state tax we have to do. State this one. Save. Likewise again we have to go back. Then out interstate. This is posting key. Yes. Posting key 40 and credit is 50. Click on save. Then accounts X4. So this is for our interstate. This one. So this all saved. Understood. This is most important. So maintain FI configurations, automate posting accounts. This is mandatory. So we need to do this. Exit. So now we'll do slash and FB70. Okay. So here we have to select customer account. That's on Ankita Traders. This is in SAP. You need to find out why the error is displaying, what solve has to do. So you have to understand and do it. If you understand the error, then you will be successful because you will find a solution on that. Okay, sales account credit 34,000. Here we should do business area TA 10. Click on here calculate the tax. This is X3. simulate. Now it's done. Students, you can see now this has been done. Document overview for out center GST and all. Clear how it is working? You understood? Hmm? So understood, student, how it will be working? Then click on post. So document 8006 has been posted. So how to display this? So go to the accounting, financial accounting, accounts receivable, document, master record is there, document, display 806. This is 202. You can see this has been extended. So understood all? Any doubts is there, students? Hmm? Any doubts is there? Is there any doubts? You know how to post this document? Did you understand? If you understand, put your response. Okay, so we'll continue next how to display the document and we'll do payment for that. Okay, we'll do payment for. So next you see here how to do. One more, let's do one more transaction. These postings will do now. Payment we need to do. So we have to for payment what we need to do. F20 incoming payments. So post incoming F28. This is 26. So account is ICICI Bank. Amount 34,000. Value date. Today's date you can give 26th. So here you can write payment to customer or customer payment you can do. Not payment to customer. Customer payment. Accounts you can do. That is your Ankita and company. That's all. Then open process items. One item was displayed. Click on post. So document 904 is posted. So when I want to see this, what I should do? So 9004. So I need to see that. Enter. So you can see how it is displayed. So payment has been done. Clear, students? You understood how it is working. Likewise, other things you need to do. For interstate also, you can do it like that. You need to create one more vendors under different states like /n fd 01. Correct. Press enter. So we need to create one customer here. So press enter. Here we'll create company name. I'll give what is that? Raj Traders. So here I'll give Bangalore. I'll not give. This is your country, India. Reason I'll give for this Tamil Nadu. Okay. Then we have to press enter. Okay. Control company code data. Reconciliation account. Sunday data. Short key 001. Cash management A1. Okay. Cash management A1. Click on save. So customer, this one has been created in this one. So we need to pass the entries on the customer documents every 70. So what is the customer name? Customer name is Raj Traders. Invoice date is today's date. Okay. Amount I'll give suppose 12,000. So being goods sold on credit, GL account. So here we have to create one interstate sales. We have not created sales. So one more we have to create slash and FS 00. We have to create one interstate sales under income. So 3 lakhs 3. We have to create 3 lakhs 3. So description, this is your income statement. So we have to click on income. Control data. So here we have to do what we have to create interstate sales A slash C. Here I should create interstate account. Control data. So tax category will be the last one. Export. So your line item display 001. Create bank data G00. No, this is we should not take Z001. This is Z001 only. First one. Click on save. Okay. Next we'll do slash and FB70. Okay. So customer we have to do invoice. So here Raj Traders invoice date, today's date. Then amount I'm giving 12,000. Cost then being goods sold on credit. This is sales account. So you have to click here interstate sales. Interstate sales account amount is 12,000. Okay, here we have to click on business area TA10 inclusive tax. This is the things simulate. So business area TA10 simulate. It's done. It is only one tax, that is. So 12,000 plus 20,000 plus output tax. So it is including the tax and it is calculating here. Okay, understood. Any doubt is there, students? Now we have to make payment for this. So I01 posting ki automatically taking as a 01. So click on post. 8007 has been posted. So till this any doubts is there, students? You understood? Hello? Anyone has any doubts here? Did not understand, Maria? No, I did not get. You have doubts or not? No doubts means you can respond. If doubt is there, raise your hands. Okay. Okay. What about others? Maria has already replied. What about others? Okay. Samanvita Nidhi. So is this little difficult? You are getting this? So this is all GST has been done. Now we'll do payment and we'll complete this. So payment for this slash N F-28. This is T codes are very important. You can remember this T code. So it will be easy to do that. So here I'll do this is 9 posting period 26. This is what customer payment to us. This is your ICICI bank. Okay. Amount is 12,000. So value date, today's date, value 26. Here we should do customers. That is the Raj Traders. Open process items. One item selected. Posted. So 9005 was posted. Clear. All these things has done. You understood how these things are working. So this is we did sales, interstate sale also, interstate sales also, one transactions we did. Last class yesterday also we did in interstate purchase and interstate purchase. So four transactions we have done with this posting parking also we have done. So this GST has been completed now. So any doubts in there? Today you can share the screen, students. Those who are doing right now till how much you have done, you can share the screen. So tomorrow I'll be starting with the cash journals. Hmm. So today I'm giving you chance to share the screen. I'll stop share and you can tell me your doubts, whatever you have. I'll stop sharing now. So now who wants to share the screen? Anyone wants to share the screen? Any point, it does not matter today's point, till how much you have done, that point also you can ask. Yes. That I will send, but I'm asking who is working now and who wants to share the screen. I'm sending one file. So check it out here. Few of those things are there, which almost I have done. Till GL creation it is there. Accounts payable I have sent you. Accounts receivable I have sent you. I think I have sent one file, but GST configurations today I am sending. So this is one SAP code, that is enterprise structure. You can check it out and download it. I'm sending now. Just a minute. I'll share with you. Okay, I am going to share one screen. One second. One file I want to share with you. So I have sent one file. Few of these things is there. Enterprise structure it is there. All these things. In the beginning, the steps are there, so you can see on. Next, I am going to send you GST part also. GST configurations for GST I have done today. I think I have sent last class. That is only. Your customer for this nothing is there. So you can do for customers. Accounts receivable I have sent or not. I'll check it out. One second. Accounts receivable I have sent students. Accounts receivable.
Yeah, ma'am, you have sent.
Accounts receivable, accounts payable. So enterprise structure from beginning. You can see that. So this file is from beginning. So check once and let me know. So I'll send this. Next is the chart of it. So here posting parking is not there. That I have taught directly with the transaction wise. Okay. Other things, whatever you require, everything is there in that particular file. You can just verify with this. Clear? So all are getting this. Now today what I'm saying, because most of the topics has been covered. So if you have a doubts or some things that you can ask me. No doubt, students. So we'll do another things. So finished. All it is done. Everyone understood today's topic. So we'll start with the little topic theories about this. What do you mean by what is the which currency we are using? We are using rupees cash. So cash journals in SAP little introduction shall be starting. Cash is known as the liquid assets also. Why it is known as liquid assets? Hmm? Cash belongs to the real accounts and it is known as liquid assets or fluctuating assets. Why?
Ma'am, it may come in any time and go out anytime, ma'am. We cannot keep a track of it.
Hmm. Okay. So, is there any difference between cash in hand and cash at bank? Cash in hand and cash at bank, is there any difference?
If cash is in the bank, the interest falls and the amount increases. But when
Okay.
it is in our hands, it always decreases because we spend more.
It is decreases. Okay. So, a class is actually coming and going. Means that is a liquid asset. That's what we say. So, let's little bit I'll explain on this. What is cash journals? Let's explain. Here also it is there. Cash journals and everything. So why do we use cash journals? How to configure petty cash? So now some questions like what do you mean by petty cash? Cash, someone has answered me. What do you mean by petty cash? Because in this particular topics we are going to create petty cash account. So what do you mean by petty cash? Yes, students, what do you mean by petty cash? One student has nicely explained what is cash in hand and what is cash at bank. If we'll keep in bank, that also will spend, right? Will spend, but that will get interest. But if we'll cash in hand, it will be like this, but will not. How it will increase? It will not increase. So we have to do only spend. What the student has told, absolutely right. Okay. So likewise, I am asking one simple questions. What do you mean by petty cash account? Yes, anyone? This is small questions only. Hmm? Anyone answer me now? Yes, students. No answer. Petty cash means small amount of expenses which you are going to do. Like suppose take an example. One company has paid 2000 rupees to one employee for what? For traveling expenses. Okay, and that expenses company is not knowing exact. Suppose he has company has given 2000, but that employee has spent 1500. Company is not knowing how much expenses has been done. So in Tally, one thing is there, memorandum vouchers. So that type of transactions we are recording in memorandum vouchers. But when company will get to know, this much amount has been spent, so company will convert into payment. That is different things. Here, that is also same. That is different vouchers are there in Tally, different vouchers are there in SAP. So here in this case, petty cash means small amount of cash, which is incurred for small expenses like advertisement expenses or like stationery expenses, you need to buy some stationery items, so stationery expenses. Then traveling expenses, company sending you for one meeting to someone another branch, so that particular traveling expenses company will pay, so that is also recorded in the petty cash. Okay, so understood. Now here we have some here how to configure the petty cash, I'll tell you. But cash journals can be used to record all transactions involve cash in place of posting a journal entry by transaction every 50. P code is FBCZ. Why we use the cash journal? That is also one big point. What is that? Ability to post all transactions related to cash receipt and cash payments. Here, no check transactions, no online transactions, only cash related transactions. That is a solid hand. And payment in a single screen. Daily cash position. Daily cash positions includes opening balance, total receipts, total payments, and closing balance is automatically calculated by the system. Entries are very quick and easy via customized business transactions. Daily, weekly, and current periods reporting available. Cash journals can be printed easily, very simple to configure. Please make a note, students, and why do we use cash journals? That also you can write. So this particular file I'll send you tomorrow, not today. So I'll send you 1 second. Because this topic practically I'm not going to start today, just theoretically I'll explain. I have shared the screen. No, I have not shared. Okay, sorry, you should tell me. Okay, now it is visible, students. Hello, student, is it visible to you? Response once. Okay, so I'm going to show you one small notes. Write on this what is the petty cash. So how to configure the petty cache? First you write why do we use petty cache journals? So cache journals configuration steps is this: SPRO, financial accounting, new banking accounting, business transactions, cache journals. It's a short topic but interesting. You can just write on that. First why this you write. You can make a small notes on this. So ability to post all the transactions related to cash receipt and cash payment. There will be a bank also, bank data also will be there, a check data will be also there, but we are not going to use that particular things as we are using cash journals. So daily cash positions including cash flow statements. In Tally also we can, in accounting also we have a cash flow statements. That is what cash flow, fund flow will be there, cash in and out. So that is known as the daily cash transactions. So daily cash positions including opening balance, total receipts and total payments, and closing balances automatically calculated by the systems. Entries are very quick and easy via customized business transactions, daily and weekly. Okay, any doubts with the students? So this you write, and next you write cash journals SAP configuration steps. Okay, so cash journals configuration steps. SPRO financial accounting, new banking accounting, business transactions, cash journal, real questions, obviously. So here you can write how to configure this. So what are the steps we need to follow? Create GL account for cash journal as a petty cash account. We need to post income payments. We have to set yes. So define account, define document types for cash journals. Also, it will be there. Define number ranges, intervals for cash journals documents. Set up cash journals. Maintain. It is all longer procedure to take 2 classes. Maintain business transactions. Set up print parameter for cash journals. So define number ring grouping. So cash journals can be used to record all the transactions involving cash in place of posting a journal entries via transactions code FB or T code FBCC. It's like in manual accounting, we have a cash book. I'm going to tell you something here. So cash book. How many types of cash book is there? In cash book, how many columns will be there? What are the types of cash book? Can you tell me? Students, in manual accounting, I am asking, what are the types of cash book? Hmm? Should you know answer? What are the types of cash book? You all are commerce students, so I am asking to you all. Single column cash book, double column cash book, and triple column cash book. Now, what is single column cash book? Yes, students, what do you mean by single column cash book? At least how much you know answer. If you'll answer, then class will be interesting, no? Only I'll be teaching. I'll ask few questions. So how much you know answer it. Brinda, hello. Brinda, you tell me what are the types of cash book I told? Single column cash book, double column cash book, and triple column cash book. What is single column cash book? In that, one cash receipt and one cash payment will be there. Right, one single column of cash. In double column cash book, we have like bank account and cash account. In triple column, we have a discount allowed, discount receipt column. Both the sides it will be, and left side is the discount allowed, right side is the discount receipt column with this bank receipt, that means check, and cash. So three columns will be there. So that is known as triple column cash. Here, any doubts is there? So you understood how it is. So next
Can you
you
repeat, ma'am?
see that is a triple column cash book. First, a single column cash book. There is a one cash receipt and one cash payment. Both the sides it will be there. Left side is the cash payment. I think that right side is the cash receipt. Then likewise we have a two. It is in the tally also one presentation we are showing. So double column cash book means one bank column, one cash column. Both the side, debit side and credit side, both side two columns will be there. That means bank means it's a check transactions and cash. Triple column cash book, what will happen? The one will be the discount allowed. Right side will be discount receipt, and left side will be what is that, check or bank cash. Here also check or bank or cash. That means, so that is known as triple column cash book. Clear? So these are the three types of cash books. So most popular is single column cash book. Clear? Okay, next you write this. What are the steps you can write? First one you have written means you can skip. First one you write, then next. Because after this I'm going to show practical. So stay online student, just 5 minutes, I'll be back. So that is the cash journals. Next, you can write the steps for this. SPRO, financial accounting, new banking accounting, business transactions, cash journals. So step 1, GL creations for the cash journals. Step 2, define document types. Step 3 is define number ranges for cash journals document. Set of cash journals. Create, change, delete business transactions. Set of print parameters for cash journals. So please download this file. After this, I am going to delete whatever I have sent. Files and notes and all your download, students. Okay, once it's done, let me know. So I'll show you the path little. So it is completed, students. So we'll proceed the next one. Have you done this? Please put your response. Okay, fine. So we'll do next step. Chill creations. Let's first start little bit today. And you know what is a longer procedure? I'll start later. Create petty cash account under balance sheet we have to create. See this. We have to go to the S slash and FS double zero. You can make a note also. So we have to go to the assets. So 1 lakh 6. 1 lakh 6 has been done. Huh? No, that is 1 lakh 6. We have to create company. So here descriptions. This is balance sheet. Your assets. What we need to create petty cash account. So control data. So here we have to do line items. Short key 001. In these options, you need to select this G001. Make a note, students. Post automatically you have to do. Post automatically. Please make a note on this. Types and descriptions. What I'm showing here. It's not there in the notes. You can see here and write. First, types and descriptions. What I have given create company that 1 lakh 5. That is the code I have given. Then we have to types and descriptions balance sheet. It is under assets. Description is petty cash account. GL account long text is petty cash account. Okay, so after this, if you click on control data, you can write INR. This is your line item display 001 posting date. Posting date is 001. Then create bank interest G001 and post automatically only. This you write. Okay. Once it is done, then you have to click on save. So save this data. Clear? So we have created first. What is that? Define cash journals. How to do? We have created the GL masters first. Okay, create bank. Click on create bank. Click on post automatically. What we did here, clear on bank, post automatically we have done. Next is define document types. So how to go to the cash journal? SPRO, SAP reference IMG. Write the path little bit. SPRO, SAP reference IMG, financial accounting new, bank accounting, business transactions, cash journals. Define document types for cash journals. Clear? So I'm going to show you this. SPRO, SFA reference IMG. So here we'll go /n. So your /n. So your SPRO, SFP reference IMG. So what we have to do? Financial accounting, financial accounting. Then financial accounting new, bank accounting, business transactions. So here you can see financial accounting new. 3 months later, global settings new. Then bank accounting. Then business transactions. Then cash journals. Write the path, students, here. SPRO, financial accounting new, financial accounting global settings new, bank accounting. Don't do. First you click and see once. What I am saying, don't do anything. You have to do all the steps. Then this is separately also you can do, not a matter. If you have done when you vendor posting or parking and posting you have done means directly you can do cash journals. It is not like that GST you have not done means you cannot do because the separate concepts. So you can do it if you have done any cash transactions you can do it. Okay, so separately you can do it now also. So go to the SPRO, just I show you FS00, create one petty cash account. Bank and interest data you can just post automatically. And then you come back to the SPRO and display IMG screen and click here. So just click and see how it is there. So how many students are working now in the software? Right now, who and all working on the software? Can you put a thumbs up those who are already open the system right now? Open system is most important actually. Okay. So tell me, who and all are open the your software? No one is open? Yes. Hmm? Because practically if you just click also it will be useful for you. I'm not going to tell you entries now. Put your response, those who are doing. Hmm? How many people softwares are working right now? Okay. What Rukaya Vrinda? It is not working for you. Okay, this is the one year. Okay, so if you have your system's software is working, please open the software and just click what I am saying. So at least you will follow with me means you will get to know. This is a separate concept. It is not related to GST also. Separate concept, easy concepts only. You just click and see how it is working. Okay. So can you share the screen? Those who have opened any systems and all. Okay. I'll let me know. Because if we'll do, it will be easy. I'm telling. So this is a create GL account for cash journals we have done. The first steps has been done. What we have created. The first step has been done. Second step is amount limit is there. That we need not to put actually. It is later on we can do how it is be working. I'm just showing what are the things are there. Define document types for cash journals. So just like for vendors, for customers, we are creating a document types. Likewise, here also we can create a document type for cash journal. So what are the document type for cash journals? AB. So please write in things. What is AB? This one, accounting document. Highlight this. For cash journal document, see for vendors, document types I told you already K, KR, KZ. For customer DA, DR, DZ. Likewise for the cash journals, the document types is what is that? AB. That is called accounting document. So please make a note accounting documents. So double click on this. So this is 0 1 number range. You need not to change on that. I think same you have to do. So this is 0 and reverse type is this one and we have to assign this. So more number range informations. Company code is TA10. Display intervals is there. Okay, so change intervals. So 01 is there already. We need not to save. It's already there. We need to change. Next is copy company code 001. So what is that here? CZ, cash journals. So define number in intervals for cash journals document. These points you can write students. This is in the coming classes. I'll show you by tomorrow. The students, you can do it. Write this all points. So these all points we are going to execute by tomorrow. Hmm? So your setup cash journals is there. Trade, edit, delete, business transaction, set of parameters. So next is set up cash journals. So here a lot of things are there, just like cash journal for head office, cash journals for accountant, cash journals and so all this thing is there. Head of the department likewise. So we need to set cash journals. So I'll be stop here. I'll These 3 points I'll be teaching you next class. Till that any doubts you have means you can just let me know on that. Any points, because later on maybe you will not get time, so I am asking every day. Yes, Rukaya, you are raising your hand. Ask any doubts you have. Rukaya, unmute yourself and just ask any doubts you have means. Yes, Rukaya, you ask any things you did not understand or what? Am I audible to you all?
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
So she's telling nothing. Okay. So what we'll do? We'll wind up the sessions today. You have any queries, means you can just let me know, because set up cash journal onwards I'm going to teach tomorrow, and there is a lot of things are there. Set up print parameters. We'll not get the printout, but we can do it. This particular file I'll send you tomorrow, not today. Today we finish the GST completely, and this is cash journals tomorrow. And Monday I'm going to teach you dunning. What is dunning? Already I told you. Dunning is a procedure to sending a reminder letters to the customers for making payment. So that I'll be starting from 31st. It will be taking 2 classes, dunning procedure. Then 1, 2, 3. These 3 classes will be revision class. Okay. And 6th is the exam date, students. Yesterday you are, I think, asked me. So 6th is the exam date, and that is the last date for the
Sixth
class.
exam will
Yes,
sixth is the exam date or sixth is the last day of class, ma'am?
last day, and that is the exam date. Class will
Okay.
be finishing by 1, 2, 3. These three are revision classes. Till 31st,
Okay,
I'll be
ma'am.
finishing the entire course, whatever is
Okay,
there.
ma'am.
So, because Dunning, cash journals I'll finish by tomorrow. One Dunning it is there, that will be 30 and 31st, two classes. And 1, 2, 3, I'm giving you three classes. Those who are ready to do work with me, please work on that, because from the company, defined company, again I'm going to teach you. In three classes, I will cover whatever I taught you today. So it will be nice. What I am saying, one from beginning revisions. So three classes will be doing, and that day will finish. At least till parking postings will be able to do that GST. Recently, what we have done, and fourth there is no class Saturday, and sixth is the exam Monday. Any other queries you have, students? So exams will be
Ex
MCQs. MCQs.
no,
S-
ma'am, it will be in the normal timings only, no, ma'am. 6:30, 6 o'clock to
ha,
7:30.
yes. 6 to 7. One
Okay,
hour
okay.
it is, I think. So
Okay,
exactly
okay.
6 o'clock will be starting that day. Link and all I'll be sending on that day. And third, I'll may you send you one feedback link that you can fill and submit. And sixth,
Uh,
the
Excuse
exam
me,
link.
ma'am.
Yes, tell me.
Ma'am, in those revision classes which you do first, second, and third, ma'am,
Yes.
like can you like no, like just like a demo test, can you make few questions and send for us, ma'am? Like if in that, if you have
I
any
will
doubt, we
not
can ask
send
you.
questions. What I will do, I'll do the quiz type. Will do that day. Like, I'm not going
Yes,
to
ma'am. In
send
that first,
questions.
second, or third, we'll do that quiz type whether it is working, because
Yes,
last day we
third we
can't take
can
risk,
do.
ma'am.
No, third we can't do. Third will do. Sorry, third will do. One and two will do revision. At least two classes. Those who have missed out some classes or something like that. So it will be benefit
Okay.
for all. Okay. So let's
Yes,
little bit brush up on that. Then three, if you want, I'll give you one small quiz type. You just answer
yes,
me.
ma'am.
I'm not going to send in group because there is no such file sendings and all, questions files and all. So I'll just ask in the questions. We'll do one quiz type that day. Whoever knowing the answers, they will answer. Okay. Then you prepare for the exam, sixth. So like what and all I am telling you, students, practice the T code. T code I have already sent. Accounts receivable, payable, separate T code is there. I'll just check receivable I have sent or not. I have a doubt. I think payable I have sent. And then GST I have sent. GST all steps will be there. I think GST questions hardly will come. If it is come or not, I don't know, but maybe T code it will ask. But which currency we are using, what I'm saying, which currency we are using, then what is the, what I am using now, virtual machines, which I am working, VMR workstation, virtual machine I am working on this. What is ERP? Like, you have to little bit knowing that enterprise resource planning. SAP is a ERP products. Okay, who is the founder of this your SAP? Okay, so that common questions will come, like basically T codes, so must it will come. All T codes you should be like fully clean in your mind. So you should, whenever I'll ask you, you can just answer me. Okay, that three will do one quiz on that, related to all the whatever I taught till today, not till next Tuesday. I'll ask. Is that clear, students? All will be doing like
Ma'am,
this. Hmm. Tell me.
what's the total marks, ma'am?
Total marks will be knowing. I've not checked. So I'll be telling you by next week. By Monday, I'll show you. Monday, I'll tell you. Not tomorrow. Monday, I'll tell you what is the total. I think it will be 60 or I'll see that. I'll check it out and tell you. But MCQ question must. That is the things. So need not to write some answers and all. You have to just click on that link and all. Exact time 6 o'clock. I'll be sending on that day, on
Ma'am,
Monday.
is this only the only exam we write?
So you should be ready with your internet connections and with your what is that, whatever requirements is there, you just get ready on this, that day I'll send you exactly on 6 o'clock. It's not before, not after all this. Okay, so that is the thing. Students will wind up the sessions today. We'll continue tomorrow with the cash journals in SAP. Okay, so bye bye, good night.
Thank you, ma'am.